As the demand of artificial intelligence expands and integrates further into everyday activities, there is a corresponding surge in demand for semiconductor chips. Taiwan Semiconductor controls 68% of chip market share, and therefore there will be a huge demand for its chips to support the AI market. Projections indicate robust performance for Q1 2024 with expectations of sustained growth in the long term. Further, with a current valuation nearly $620 billion, the company presents an enticing investment opportunity. So if you are interested in this semiconductor chip making company and artificial intelligence growth and its future, then please watch the video until the end. Let's get started. Thank you again for joining me today. As always, everything shared in this video is for informational purposes only. But if you hit that like button below, that would be a huge contribution in the growth of this channel. The semiconductor company is witnessing a sharp jump in growth thanks to AI, and investors can still get a great deal on its stock. The semiconductor industry has received a big boost from the growing demand for artificial intelligence applications. That's not surprising, as training AI models in data centers wouldn't be possible without the processing power of semiconductors, which explains why companies in this sector have soared impressively over the past year or so. Nvidia, for instance, has more than tripled in the past year, driven by stellar growth in its revenue and earnings on the back of the booming demand for the company's graphic card. However, Nvidia's rapid surge wouldn't have been possible without its foundry partner, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, popularly known as TSMC. While Nvidia designs the chips, it outsources the manufacturing to Taiwan Semiconductor, so it wasn't surprising to see Taiwan Semiconductor deliver solid results on April 18th for the first quarter. Let's take a closer look at TSMC's number before understanding why this semiconductor stock is an attractive buy right now. When we look at the current financials in 1 year, the return is almost 70%. In 5 years, the return is almost 218%. The company's current valuation is almost $620 billion. TSMC's latest results and predictions tell us that AI is set to drive stronger growth. Let's look at the Q1 numbers, which is declared on April 18th. TSMC's Q1 revenue increased 13% year over year to $18.9 billion, while earnings increased 5% to $1.38 per share. The numbers exceeded analyst expectations and revenue topped the company's previous guidance. Management's Q2 outlook was impressive, as TSMC is forecasting $20 billion of revenue at the midpoint of its guidance range, good for year over year growth for about 28%. That's a nice acceleration from the previous quarter, and the outlook came in higher than the consensus estimate of $19.1 billion. Throughout the years, TSMC performance was not always great. TSMC revenue was down 14% year over year in Q2 2023, when the semiconductor market was in a downturn due to excess supply. However, the advent of AI has changed the game for TSMC, as the demand for the chips made using the company's advanced process nodes has increased remarkably. Some of the key highlights are: TSMC revenue from the 5nm chips rose to 37% last quarter, up from 31% the previous year. Revenue from the 3nm chips contributed 9% to the TSMC's revenue compared to a 0 year ago. Strong demand for 3nm chips, particularly from Apple, further drives TSMC's growth. TSMC's recent earnings call highlighted the continued AI-related demand as a key factor in its growth trajectory. As an investor, why purchasing this stock right now could be a smart move. The demand for AI chips is here to stay, with the AI semiconductor market forecasted to increase at an impressive annual rate of 38% through 2030. TSMC is in a solid position to capitalize on its terrific growth opportunity, given its 61% share of the global foundry market. That's why investors would do well to buy this AI stock while it's trading at just 26 times earnings, at discount to the broader semiconductor industry's average earning multiple of 32. If TSMC can build on this accelerating growth it expects in the current quarter, its stock price is likely to surge higher. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial insights. Until next time, happy investing.